So let's also test how our bot will answer for users without connecting any bots on bot setup. As for now, on this application, I didn't have set up any bot, but I have already saved some information on database. There I say one file, and I want to test how my bot will answer for user questions, and I don't want to set up any bots. So all is that you need to do this, that set up your own knowledge base on this page, on training page, and you need to save your API key from OpenAI and choose which model you want to use. As for me is GPT-4 and my API key. So let's go to demo page. It's there, and try to check how our bot will answer for us. For example, let's write hello. We have a response, and let's ask something about UBOS. And we have response. This response from our database. I can show you on training page that I have question like this, and my response is according to my file. That's some information from this vector, as you see. And let's try to ask something like this. We can go back to demo page, paste it, and we have response. It's according to our database knowledge, and that's good response. So this demo page with live chat allows you to check how your bot will answer for different user question. If you save some information and want to test how this information will be founded on database, how bot will answer for you, you just can go to this page and to try to play with it. Also to make this practice better, you can go to a setup, for example, page, and there, as I told you on a previous videos, you can set up some configuration like this that answer length, language. It also will work on demo page, and on the way like this, it will be the better testing for you as owner of this application.